Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was up 0.17% today. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, we came down. Of course, we hit last Thursday, a week ago, we hit, just over 7,500 close on the S&P 500. But we've had an update yesterday and an update today, both for the same reasons. We're hearing, conversations from several different sources that things are getting closer in terms of the negotiations. We have heard that before, so we'll see what happens. But the price of oil was falling quite a bit. There's news of some ships from South Korea and China and what have you with oil being able to pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Seems to be some sticking points on, the uranium, whether the Iran keeps it or not, and then whether there's a toll of some type on the Strait of Hormuz. There's a ways to go, I'm sure, to really figure things out. But the market is feeling a bit more optimistic, and certainly the oil market certainly was also with the price of oil coming down. So we're seeing some improvements in the stock market as far as that goes. We also got a report today on manufacturing activity, which is up for the fourth month in a row. So that was another good sign. It kind of just gives more of a growth case. Again, we're looking at those things that are making us grow as far as an economy, and those things that are keeping us from growing in terms of, kind of headwinds. And, what we're seeing so far, and the reason the stock market is up where it is, and the reason it keeps, continuously hitting new highs, and has this much upper momentum is because the growth on the good side is stronger than the headwinds. I know that's hard to imagine, again, because the headwinds are what we see all day, every day. We hear about inflation. We hear about the higher gas prices. If you go fill out your car, you'll see that also. But at the moment, what's happening is that there's enough growth in the economy, enough growth in earnings, and those types of things to offset. So, that's been an ongoing story here for a while. And now when we look at the stock market itself, we really see, great momentum, things that are really moving in the right direction. So, that's good too. Today, the market was actually down for a while and then ended up coming up, partly based on some comments, just again, kind of helping with the fear of what's going on there in Iran and the Strait of Hormuz. I think that'll be an ongoing piece as far as that goes. But, hopefully we're getting closer. So anyway, that's what was happening today. Again, we're going to do our show tomorrow. We'll do a summary for the stock market for the week, show some different charts and kind of the things I've been talking about all week here. So if you want to join us, it's from 12:15 to 1. You can even ask live questions on the chat or send in an email if you'd like to. So it's on YouTube. You just look up Talk Money with Tom, and you can find it. So look forward to being able to see you then. Thank you very much.